So I'm trying to figure out where my son got this crazy, like, devotion addiction to Dragon Ball Z, another anime, right? Dragon Ball Z. But then, this was me over the weekend.
Robotech.
I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same spark that lights the dark so that you can know your left from your right.
Yeah.